Before the challenge, my weight was mounting, the more depressed and the more stress that I was under. I had moved from one place to another and had trouble getting a job, so the depression sank in even further. When you're depressed and trying to lose weight, it doesn't really motivate you, the depression, so it's really an internal battle. My girlfriend, she said, "Susie, you just got to look at this stuff." And she's a registered nurse and looked through all the product and everything, and she's also a cancer survivor. So I just handed her my credit card, and I didn't think twice because I trusted her. And so I gave her my credit card. She ordered it for me, and it came to my door, and I just used it, and just using the product and watched the magic happen. I had never heard of a challenge before for weight loss. But when I did hear about it, I was very excited to hear about something like this because I knew that this could motivate me. The total overall was 90 pounds and 72 inches. When they called my name and I was taken to the stage, all of my life went through my mind up until this point, and all the things that happened to get me to this point is really what I thought about, and it was all worth it. I'm actually really humbled, so this is it's kind of emotional for me. My family, my daughter, and I know that I had to do something about it because my health was going downhill, and I had to do something to be healthy because as we get older, it doesn't get any easier. And there was no better time than now. People look at you different when you're not heavy, and it's just amazing the response that you get. It's almost like people just gravitate more towards you when you're able to do something like this, and they want to know how you did it. No matter what your health goal is, find a way to make it the most important thing in your life and stick to it. Now that I have completed this challenge, I feel like there's nothing that I can't do once I set my mind to it. My name is Susan DeFabio, and I'm a Body by Vi 90-Day Challenge champion. You can find me at www.susandefabio.myvi.net.